day, everyone. My name is Yarika Ashley Gadjano. Today, we have the pleasure of interviewing Kurt Cyrus Herrera. In this interview, we will explore his physical activities and lifestyle.
Hi, I am Kurt Sarazwayan Harola.
So, Kurt, what type of lifestyle do you have at present, and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
So, I do exercise every day. Like, every morning, mag-jogging ko sa park. Then, I do jumping rope to, like, 100 jumps a day, like that. And I have scheduling, like, every Friday, I do jumping ropes only. Every Sunday, I do jogging. That's all.
Hmm. What was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity, and what keeps you motivated?
As part of my growing up, I have been bullied by my friends by calling me fat. Mga na nakamotivate na ako ever since jud na kuan na mag-exercise every day, like jogging, like do gym. Tas always nila nga gingon nga kanang sige og kaon o ibos kanang balay, that mao po na yung reason nga nagkuan pod ko, like na-motivate ko sa akong life na may exercise to lose weight. One of the reason pod na kanang nag exercise ko is about the mental health. To reduce stress lang pod for my mental health, to reduce stress lang pod, and kanang sa physical appearance. Kailangan ko mag-lose weight to tone up, to be more confident, and to inspire everybody that kanang we can do better kajud sa atong physical appearance. And for the health concerns po, like I have asthma too. Dali ako pa nakapuyon, dali ako pa nakutasan. Or mo na naka-motivate na ako by exercising.
Okay. For the last question, as an exercise enthusiast or regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging in physical activities?
So for me, encouraging someone jud nga like walay ka ng wala pa naka-start og ka na exercise niya, dili wala siya interest about that, kay lisod gyud siya pasabton. But to help him to improve her lifestyle, imo siya ipasabton nga unsa jud kanindot niya mag-exercise. Like imo siya itawa na, like imo siya ipasabton kung unsa pag-start, like every day you start small first, like walk daily, like daily walk lang gyud siya. Then mga kanang magkadugay improvement, jogging, magkadugay, like imo siyang ikuan gyud siya, mag-set goal ka nga every week na kay mo improve. Then about like and then by exercising to mangita kag kana, like maka-enjoy ka og exercise. Then be patient jud that, like be patient jud siya, like mag-wait jud ka sa kanang result sa imong pagka-exercise, lagi na siya. Then mag-set kag realistic goal niya. So far ana that's all.
Living a healthy lifestyle is crucial for feeling good both mentally and physically. It helps us manage our stress and boost our confidence. Just like Kurt, nabully siya before, and it motivates him na mag-exercise. And it also helps him to boost his confidence. And also, I know nga there's a lot of people nga walay interest when it comes to physical activities or exercise. Okay, I know it's hard, it's very kapoy, and I know it's not easy, but the result will be worth it. And know it's all about finding what works for you and making it part of your daily life. And know the benefits are totally worth it.
So thank you, Sir Kurt Cyrus Haruela. And that would be all, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.